You're making six figures now. But when you open your investment accounts, there's almost nothing there. Your salary is high, your career is stable, your bills are paid. Yet real wealth still feels distant. It feels like you're running faster every year, but somehow staying on the same financial treadmill. This is the hidden paradox many high earners experience without even realizing what's actually happening. Most people believe wealth automatically follows income, but income alone never guarantees financial independence. There's an invisible force that grows together with your salary and slowly absorbs every raise. It's called lifestyle inflation, and it expands quietly every time your income increases. A nicer apartment, a better car, more subscriptions, better restaurants, more comfort in everyday life. None of these upgrades feel irresponsible individually, but together, they consume nearly every new dollar earned. Soon, your higher salary begins feeling just as tight as your lower salary once felt before. The real factor behind wealth is not income, but the percentage of income you invest consistently. Someone earning $80,000, investing 25%, often builds more wealth than higher earners saving little. That's because compounding rewards consistency more than it rewards simply earning a larger paycheck. High earners often feel social pressure to display success through lifestyle choices that appear completely normal. But every extra dollar spent today is a dollar that never compounds into future wealth. The solution isn't extreme frugality. It's designing a system before lifestyle inflation expands again. When income rises, automatically send most of the increase directly into investments before spending expands. Your lifestyle still improves slightly, but your portfolio grows much faster over time. Eventually, those investments begin producing passive income, and financial freedom becomes realistically possible. Because making money is impressive, but building wealth is what ultimately creates long-term freedom. Financial freedom isn't motivation, it's structure. If you're ready to see how the system truly works, follow for real strategy.